Hari Om. Hope you're all doing well. It's been a long time we haven't met. I pray that God will be with you in every step you take, and let's hope for the good things to happen. Stay safe and take good care of yourself. Now let's get into the class with a prayer. Close your eyes slowly. Take a deep breath and chant Om 3 times.
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम.
This is Class 8 Social Science Road Safety Rules and Regulations. Learning objectives: understand the importance of road safety, analyze the cause for the road accidents, recognize the safety measures to be followed while driving, develop skills to identify and respond to traffic hazards, can move confidently and safely on road. Importance of road safety. Every day the newspapers report of accidents occurring frequently. Road accidents are undesired events that led to injury or death. Reasons for road accidents: overspeeding. The higher the speed, greater the risk. Drunken driving. Consumption of alcohol reduces concentration. Distraction to drivers. Distraction could be outside or inside the vehicle. LED light jumping. The main motive behind red light jumping is saving time. Avoiding safety gears. Use of seat belts in 4-wheelers and helmets for 2-wheelers have been brought under law. Other different factors like drivers, overspeeding, pedestrians' carelessness, passengers by talking to drivers, vehicles, tire burst, road condition, damage to road, and weather condition like fog. What are the safety measures to be followed? Always keep to the left. Slow down on bends and turn. Use helmets. Never exceed the speed limit. Maintain the right distance. Park the vehicles only along the desired parking areas. Follow the road signs. Some other safety tips are: do not use cell phone, don't drunk and drive, avoid listening to loud music, etc. For pedestrians, cross only at zebra crossing. Next is about signs. Mandatory signs. The first category of traffic sign is mandatory. Violation of any mandatory traffic sign is an offense punishable by law by the Roadways and Transport Department. Second is cautionary signs. A total of 40 cautionary signs have been added by the Roadways and Transport Department. The main function of cautionary sign is to warn the driver to take necessary action to manage the situation. Informatory signs. These signs provide information to the drivers via boards. Traffic signs are there to regulate traffic, warn about hazards, and to guide the road users. Understanding traffic signs is essential. We should have proper knowledge of traffic signs while driving. Traffic signals. Traffic lights is an signalizing device that is positioned at the road intersections. What does the red mean? The signal indicates to stop behind the stop line. Yellow. This signal indicates stop. Do not pass through or start until green shows. Green. This signal indicates you may go off. The way is clear. Traffic rules in India. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988, passed by the Parliament, which came into force in 1989, is applicable to the whole of India. On one-way road, the driver should not allow the overtaking vehicle through the right. On the two-way road, the driver must drive on the left side of the road. It is mandatory for the driver to slow down at all intersections. The driver should not use horns in areas like hospital zones and school zones. It is our responsibility to give way to emergency vehicles such as ambulance. Driver should use high beam only when necessary. When the driver is slowing down his vehicle, he has to raise the right arm. When the driver is stopping his vehicle, he has to raise the arm vertically for the indication. If the driver is turning right, he has to extend the arm straight out. If the driver is turning left, he has to rotate the hand in the anti-clockwise. In case of emergency, the hazard indicator should be used. On the two-wheeler, only one pillion driver is allowed. The horn should not sound really irritating or loud. Parking vehicles in front of rescue vehicles such as ambulance, fire engines and police vehicles is punishable. There are some different color number plates. For example, a red number plate is used in the vehicle for the President of India and Governor of State. Blue number plate is given to the vehicle that is used by foreign ambassadors. White number plate, it means that the car belongs to a common citizen. Yellow number plate is for commercial vehicle. Steps taken by the government to prevent road accidents. Improving vehicular safety standards, a multi-pronged strategy. Pilot projects for cashless treatment of road accident victims. Quick response ambulance. Speed governors. Variable message signs. All these things are taken by the government. And we are celebrating Road Safety Week as a national event aimed by raising public awareness about the traffic rules and ultimately to reduce road accidents. I hope you all have understood what is road safety and how we have to be safe. Road traffic accidents are predictable and therefore preventable. So everyone should strictly follow the road safety rules and signs. Learning outcome. We have understood the importance of road safety. We have analyzed the cause for the road accidents. We have also recognized the safety measures to be followed while driving. We have developed our skill to identify and respond to the traffic hazards. Now we can move confidently and safely on roads. Coronavirus have made us very sensitive. Shouldn't we show the same sensitivity towards our driving?
Sit down on the ground comfortably. Without moving your head and neck, look upwards and then downwards. Keep your neck and back straight. Now look at the sides, alternating with the left and right. Do not move your neck while looking sideways. Now look to your left, then look upwards. Move your eyes right and then look down. Look upwards, to your right, and then down. Now look upwards, then to your left and down. Now alternatively, look to your left once after looking upwards, before looking down, and then look to your right the next time after looking up. Close your eyes and rest for some time. Sit comfortably and bring your hands straight forward at shoulder height and raise your thumbs. Look at your thumbs. Slowly spread apart your hands. Look at your left and right thumbs alternatively while spreading your hands apart. Bring your hands together, continuing to look at your left and right thumbs alternatively. Close your eyes and rest for some time.
Close your eyes slowly. Take a deep breath and chant Om 3 times.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम